So here we got some drive shafts out of a 2015 Razor 1000 XP. What we're going to be doing is changing the carrier bearing. Reason why is this has a lot of noise, as you can hear it, and it's sloppy. Also, the rubber bushing was getting pretty weak. So we'll be changing that. What I'm going to use to try to get it off is a 2-arm bearing puller. Should hopefully do the trick. There we go. We got her off. You can really tell how rough it was. Pretty noisy. So what we'll do is we'll clean up the surface here and the splines, and then we'll get ready to put on the new bearing. I'm just looking at the splines to make sure that there's no damage on them, and they look pretty good from here, so I think that's good. I'll just use some Scotch-Brite to clean up where the bearing's going to sit, the race. Feels good, no nicks, no burrs, that's what we're kind of looking for. We're ready to put the new bearing on. The new bearing out of the box. The bearing comes complete with the casing on already, so we'll just install it as an entire assembly. What you want to do is you want to find something that will fit around this race area to drive it on straight, like a pipe or something. What I'll use is just a punch. That's all I have at the moment, so I'll just be tapping it along the race here to drive it in nice and evenly all the way on. So get her on straight. Now that we got the carrier bearing installed, much noticeable difference. It's all nice and quiet now when you spin it. There's no movement, so that's awesome. To install the whole shaft again, we'll have to take the casing off to get it in there, because on the RZR it's pretty tight. So go ahead and just pull it off. Should slide off fairly easy, just like that. And there's our new bearing. Ready to install the drive shaft after we change the U-joint.